Greetings, tech enthusiasts! Join us on Mega Technology as we dive into the exciting universe of heavy equipment, modern inventions, and the ever-evolving landscape of technologies. Meet Boskalis Helios, a dredger that impresses with its features. With a hull length of 500 feet and a weight of 20,000 tons, it looks like a ship from the future. Its cutter ladder weighs 2,060 tons, the heaviest element of its kind in the world. Helios can dig to a depth of up to 115 feet, and its pumps can move up to 5 million gallons of water per hour. 7,000 kilowatts of power allows it to handle the toughest rocks. Enjoy the majestic sight of launching the cargo ship Arno Crest at the Royal Bedoya Shipyard. April 6, 2023, Hogeschoen, Netherlands. The moment when a ship with a displacement of 6,800 tons begins its voyage. The 8K HDR video shows this event from 4 angles, including breathtaking shots from waterproof cameras immersed in the wave. Feel the power and grandeur of shipbuilding in every frame. Galloper Offshore Wind Farm and an innovative cable unloading from VBMS, where technology meets practicality. In August 2016, VBMS used its cable laying method on the seabed for the first time, without divers and support vessels. Imagine the cable being carefully lowered, controlled by a buoyancy release system, increasing the process's safety and efficiency. No more complex and dangerous operations, just precise and safe work. Isn't this a revolution in energy? In 2005, Accelerate Energy made a real breakthrough by introducing LNG marine terminals and FSRUs to the world with their gateway technology. Today, this technology underpins Bangladesh's first LNG import terminal, Mohashkhali Floating LNG. Thanks to its safety and reliability, proven in the most extreme conditions, Gateway has become the industrial standard. Like a superhero among energy technologies, it ensures uninterrupted and safe LNG support. Bangladesh is preparing for a new phase in its energy history, all thanks to Accelerate Energy's innovations. In the world of submarines, the Typhoon-class Akula Shark, SSBNs, hold a special place. These Soviet-Russian nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines were developed as a response to the U.S. Navy's Ohio-class submarines. With a length of 574 feet and a width of 74 feet, Typhoons are the largest submarines in the world. They can dive to a depth of up to 1,300 feet and reach speeds of up to 27 knots underwater. The submarines are armed with 20 R-39 missiles, each carrying up to 10 nuclear warheads. There are also torpedo tubes and an air defense system on board. The Ocean Farm, with a length of 1,263 feet, is a revolution in fish farming, uniquely combining advanced technology and environmental responsibility. This innovative farm withstands the harsh weather conditions of the open sea, providing optimal conditions for fish life. All fish swim in the purest water thanks to constant currents, improving their health and product quality. The sustainable farm design minimizes environmental impact and reduces emissions, making it a truly ecological project. The M3 amphibious rig allowed the creation of the world's longest amphibious bridge, which stretched along the Vistula River near Chełmno, Poland. The connection of 34 British and German M3 vehicles ensured the crossing for 200 U.S. Army units, including Stryker armored combat vehicles. These self-propelled amphibious bridge vehicles are an integral part of modern military engineering, allowing quick and efficient bridge construction across water obstacles. The M3 amphibious rig can work both as a separate unit and as part of complex structures, ensuring high flexibility and reliability. The technology allows armed forces to overcome water obstacles without stopping, ensuring uninterrupted movement of equipment and troops. Höegh Autoliners is a leading global provider of ro-ro transportation services, delivering cars, large and heavy cargo to any corner of the planet. With a fleet of about 40 vessels, the company makes about 3,000 port calls annually, providing reliable and efficient logistics solutions. These specialized ships are ideal for the safe and fast transportation of various types of cargo, from cars to heavy equipment. Höegh Autoliners has earned its reputation through high service levels and innovative logistics approaches. The most powerful tidal turbine in North America, Open Hydro, with a capacity of 2 milliwatts, now powers homes in Nova Scotia thanks to a successful connection to the grid. The turbine was installed on November 7th at the Fundy Ocean Research and Energy Center. Force, by DCNS and the Cape Sharp Tidal Joint Venture, including Emera and Open Hydro. In just 2 hours, the Open Center turbine was deployed, and 24 hours later, the Marine Operations Team connected the turbine's underwater cable to the foreshore substation. Now, the Bay of Fundy's tides provide the cleanest energy, proving that renewable sources can be efficient and reliable. Watching ships in Rotterdam is like watching a live performance on the water. This largest port in Europe offers stunning views of a variety of ships, from huge container ships to elegant yachts. With more than 30,000 ship calls a year, Rotterdam is a true crossroads of sea routes. You can see ships maneuvering in the port, loading and unloading cargo, and admire the skill of captains and crews. Izumo, the largest warship in Japan since World War II, leaves port ready to perform its many tasks. Capable of carrying up to 28 helicopters of all types and accommodating 9 helicopters on the deck simultaneously, the ship has powerful anti-submarine capabilities and early warning systems. In case of need, Izumo can turn into a command and response center for humanitarian disasters, providing quick and highly efficient assistance. The production and transportation of oil rigs is a complex and large-scale process, requiring precise coordination and advanced technologies. Modern oil rigs, such as deep-water drilling platforms, are engineering marvels up to several hundred meters high and weighing tens of thousands of tons. The production of these giants begins at shipyards and specialized plants, where rig components are assembled to the highest safety and reliability standards. Get ready for a spectacle! The transport ship Vecca, Blue Marlin, enters the port of Rotterdam, demonstrating its incredible power and capabilities. With a length of over 700 feet and the ability to carry loads up to 76,000 tons, this maritime giant easily handles the heaviest and most voluminous tasks. Blue Marlin is a true transport giant, an example of advanced engineering and logistics. And you know what? Every frame of this video is breathtaking and shows how modern technology changes our world. Meet Hilpert EA11, your new best friend in the world of fishing. This giant, 292 feet long and 54 feet wide, boasts a carrying capacity of over 3,000 tons and 2 powerful RRM Bergen B33 45 L6 engines. In this floating palace, fishing turns into a real adventure with comfort. Hilpert EA11 is not just a vessel, but the pinnacle of engineering where technology and convenience go hand in hand. Meet the amphibious excavator Water King WK250NG with a base from Caterpillar 324D, a real monster among ground-moving equipment. This excavator is designed to work on both land and water, making it ideal for complex tasks such as dredging and waterway clearing. With a powerful engine and hydraulic system from Caterpillar, the WK250NG boasts impressive maneuverability and power. The Weisse wind farm, located 130 kilometers north of Eemshaven in the German part of the North Sea, is one of the largest renewable energy projects. With a capacity of 400 milliwatts, the station includes 67 wind turbines installed on sturdy monopile foundations and transition elements. The design, procurement, manufacturing, transportation, and installation of these giant structures were carried out with erosion protection to ensure reliability and durability. The installation process in the open sea conditions was a real challenge, requiring high precision and teamwork. On July 28, 2017, in the Atlantic Ocean, the first fixed-wing aircraft was launched from the USS Gerald R. Ford. The FA-18F Super Hornet, piloted by Lieutenant Commander Jamie Strach of the 23rd Test and Evaluation Squadron, VX, took off from the carrier's flight deck. This event marked a vital milestone in the testing and evaluation operations of the new aircraft carrier. The successful launch confirmed the high technology and combat readiness of the USS Gerald R. Ford, demonstrating its capabilities and importance for the modern fleet. A historic event occurred on May 24, 2023. The American aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford arrived in Norway for the first time in more than 60 years. This visit emphasized the importance of the partnership between the USA and Norway. USS Gerald R. Ford departed Norfolk on May 2nd, carrying out its first global mission through the English Channel and the North Sea. On board this technological giant are 4,500 crew members and 90 aircraft and helicopters. The arrival of the ship in Oslo was a significant event, highlighting the power and capabilities of the modern American fleet. Ashley Contracts, based in County Down, has earned a solid reputation in marine civil engineering across the UK and Ireland. Their projects include coastal defense, dredging, and erosion protection. However, the real star of the show is underwater demolition, requiring specialized equipment. In their arsenal is a specifically modified Hitachi EX1200 XXL triple boom long reach excavator, a true powerhouse in underwater demolition. This giant handles underwater destruction as if cutting butter with a hot knife. Want to see what it's capable of? Then focus on the screen. Watch the way MMDA battles the capture of the Pasig River by water hyacinths. These plants, although beautiful, can seriously disrupt ferry traffic, but don't worry, there's special equipment to handle the task. A specialized floating platform carefully catches the hyacinths and clears the river. This not only allows ferries to move without delays, but also improves the river's ecological state. Now, that's what I call a clean water operation. The world's largest nuclear icebreaker, with a power of 75,000 horsepower, is a true giant among marine vessels. With a length of about 568 feet and a width of 98 feet, it is equipped with two powerful nuclear reactors that provide incredible power and allow breaking ice up to 10 feet thick. This icebreaker is a key tool in the exploration and development of the Arctic, opening up new routes and ensuring safe ship movement. On board are the most modern navigation systems and comfortable conditions for the crew, making it not only powerful, but also convenient for long expeditions. In the world of coal transshipment, a barge from an E-crane is a real rock star. Imagine this steel giant like a huge robot from the future, easily transferring coal from ship to shore. The giant E-crane installed on the barge turns heavy work into a real show. Like Transformers coming to help. This crane can lift and move tons of coal in minutes, saving time and effort. Most importantly, all this happens with amazing precision and reliability. In 2011, VersaBar developed and launched a subsea lifting device called the Claw within 8 months. This device was created at the insistence of an offshore operator to minimize diver involvement in salvage operations. Two identical devices, 122 feet long, 112 feet wide, and weighing 1,000 tons each, can work independently or in tandem, lifting topsides from the seabed using the VB 10,000 system. The Claw is equipped with special cradles that descend near sunken platforms, serving as a foundation for the safe lifting of fragile structures. This innovative design ensures quick and efficient work, allowing adaptation to various projects and minimizing stress on lifted objects. Imagine the complete dredging cycle from United Dredging, a true symphony of engineering artistry. The machines start with precise milling and soil extraction, perfecting every movement. With up to 24,000 kilowatts of power, they can remove and move up to 5 million gallons of water and soil per hour. These technical titans turn tough soil into light sand and gravel ready for use. Want to see how hard work turns into art? When it comes to dredging, Royal IHC are true masters of their craft. With decades of experience, they have turned dredging into an art form. Want to know why more than half of the world's dredging contractors trust them? It's simple: a unique combination of innovative vessels and advanced equipment that can turn any project into success. Let's not forget lifestyle support. It's like having a team of superheroes on your side. Imagine a giant funnel like something out of science fiction, but it's real. The Glory Hole at Lake Berryessa. This incredible spillway looks like a giant water drain, swallowing water from the lake when the water level is too high. The Glory Hole has a diameter of about 72 feet, and when water starts to flow, the sight is truly breathtaking. Designed to prevent flooding, this engineering marvel can discharge up to 48,000 cubic feet of water per second. The amphibious excavator Big Float E15 is a true master of brilliance. With additional pontoons, it turns into a stability genius capable of working on water and land without a hint of hesitation. The length of this giant is 50 feet, and the width is 15 feet, giving it impressive stability even in the most extreme conditions. A powerful engine and hydraulic system allows it to easily perform dredging and waterway cleaning tasks. Watch it confidently move across the water surface like a born floating bulldozer. Orbital O2, the world's largest tidal turbine, has been successfully commissioned, demonstrating the power of natural forces. The Orbital O2 turbine has a capacity of 2 milliwatts and can generate enough electricity for about 2,000 homes. Installed off the coast of Scotland, it uses tidal energy to provide clean energy. This impressive machine, weighing 680 tons and 240 feet long, is equipped with 2 rotor blades with a diameter of 65 feet, which submerge in water and start rotating under the influence of tidal currents. In Amsterdam, life on the water is becoming increasingly popular, especially in areas like Eiberg and Buxlotterham. The second part of the Living on Water project presents 4 districts where Amsterdam residents live in various types of water dwellings. Here you can find renovated old barges, modern floating houses, and entire sustainable floating neighborhoods. These unique projects demonstrate how urban life can harmoniously blend with the water environment, creating comfortable and eco-friendly living conditions. Ready to see a true underwater superhero? Meet Big Crab, the underwater excavator revolutionizing underwater construction. This multifunctional machine significantly increases efficiency, reducing construction time and improving safety. Thanks to various attachments, Big Crab handles a wide range of underwater tasks. Now even the most complex underwater works are done quickly and safely. Maintaining a water wheel is almost like caring for an antique car. First, the video hero takes it out to the river and begins a monthly check. He lubricates all moving parts, checks the belt tension. Nothing should be missed. Winter has made its adjustments, and the constant installation of the control panel and solar panel for battery charging has been postponed. But these are temporary difficulties. After all the procedures, the wheel is back in the river, ready for new turns and water adventures. The huge Salmar platform for offshore fishing farming is an engineering marvel with a volume of 8 million cubic feet and a height of 226 feet. This platform is a real skyscraper in the world of fish farming, creating ideal conditions for fish growth. Salmar uses the latest technologies to ensure the maximum comfort and health of its inhabitants. Imagine an aquarium the size of a small town where fish swim in a safe and optimal environment. Imagine the Candela P12, a 100% electric hydrofoil for passenger transport, taking off above the water, like a Tesla for the seas. With a top speed of 30 knots and a length of 29 feet, this wonder ship can carry up to 12 passengers, providing an incredibly smooth and quiet ride thanks to its powerful 55 kilowatt electric motors. Weighing 2,755 pounds, the Candela P12 rises on its hydrofoils as if flying over the water, reducing drag and saving energy. Imagine the most profitable micro hydropower plant that not only produces affordable and reliable energy, but also preserves the local ecosystem. Using a low-pressure design, a new type of turbine has been developed that does not harm aquatic inhabitants. Such a micro hydropower plant provides energy to local communities while maintaining balance in the ecosystem, making the world better and more environmentally friendly. The Tuas desalination plant in Singapore, the third of its kind, increases the country's capacity to process seawater from 100 to 130 million gallons per day. Now, desalination plants can cover up to 30% of Singapore's current water demand. This video explains the process of turning seawater into clear drinking water. The Tuas plant uses advanced technology for filtering and purifying seawater, making it safe and high-quality drinking water. Have you ever wondered how huge ships end up on land? The marine travel lift A20C at De Haas Shipyard BV in Rotterdam, Netherlands, makes it easy. With its 820-ton lifting capacity and 49-foot lift height, this monster can lift the largest ships like children's toys. What about its 82-foot length and powerful engine that make this hoist a true master of maneuvers? The hydraulic control system ensures precise and smooth movements to avoid even the slightest damage. Pavelli is a leader in the production of fully customized trailers. In its 40-year history, the company has retained its artisanal touch and family management and has been able to spread from Italy to the whole of Europe, all the way to America and Asia. That is why it has created a new special modular low-bed semi-trailer. Such a machine has a high frame with a center beam, extendable and expandable, as well as a removable neck with adjustable height. The entire structure has been hot-dip galvanized. which provides high resistance to corrosive agents and extends the life of the frame. The slow-frame semi-trailer is equipped with pneumatic or hydraulic suspension with knee mechanism, as well as a hydraulic steering system with radio control for easy maneuvers. Composite's range of transportation solutions is as broad as the range of applications in the steel industry. Whatever your transportation task, Composite has the right vehicle for you. A vehicle that will prove its worth under the most demanding conditions. Extreme conditions, slag with temperatures up to 1300 degrees, liquid steel, angular and dusty bulk loads several meters long, red-hot slabs, or coils weighing tons. Composite can cope with any task. For example, the machine in front of you is designed to minimize the risk of accidents at work. See for yourself how it works. The new MulchMate Model DS1000 is an all-electric, virtually silent mulch delivery system that attaches to your existing truck. The MulchMate will allow you to increase the speed of your operation without hiring more people, because the MulchMate allows the entire crew to finish the job faster and can complete more work without having to put in overtime hours. It greatly reduces overtime costs. MulchMate can help you complete mulching jobs 50 to 75% faster. The augers whip the mulch so well that you can spread 10 yards of mulch as 12 to 13 yards. This can reduce your overall material cost by 20% or more. So, the machine really simplifies one of the most difficult parts of mulching. MulchMate keeps workers on the ground and spreads mulch directly into a wheelbarrow with a simple push of a joystick. Forget ladders and scaffolding when it comes to working at heights. The Gibbey 1890 Primo Tract Lift skillfully delivers you and your equipment to places others can't reach. With it, reaching 61 feet and lifting up to 507 pounds becomes effortless. Whether you need to trim trees or install outdoor lighting, the Gibbey 1890 Primo provides stability and safety, making every task efficient and secure. The Lagoon Crawler features a brand new remote control system with an integrated screen. The new controls allow users to maintain optimal functionality of the crawler, as well as control the new improved GPS mode. Proportional control with the new belly pack crawler robot provides detailed control through feedback mechanisms. The ability to efficiently and accurately control the crawler makes the mixing process safer and more reliable. With 4,000 psi pressure, this system delivers insane torque to the wheel drives. An upgraded intelligent traction control system prevents wheel lockup by directing more oil to the right wheel. This allows the crawler to get out of steeper potholes than previous models. ABS Remorques, manufacturer of semi-trailer conveyors and subsidiary of Manic, has launched the LRC product line. This updated version, lighter than the RC model, allows for a higher payload without sacrificing strength and durability. The new LRC model uses cross I-beams to attach the conveyor system to the trailer frame, providing a 30% increase in strength over the standard model. The subframe and other key components are now galvanized, providing maximum corrosion protection, reducing maintenance expenses, and extending the life of the trailer. A direct conveyor connection speeds up unloading speeds by 16% compared to a connection to a hydraulic unit. All these modifications have been made to improve safety and ease of use of the trailer for the operator. Mega Swing can haul any semi-trailer, not just the small percentage that can be picked up by traditional pocket vans. As you can imagine, this represents a massive expansion of the rail transportation market, i.e., 100% of trailers on European roads, not just the current 5%. In addition, existing terminals can increase their volumes and market share by offering an intermodal solution for all semi-trailers. In the world of mini cranes, the Gecko XPX 650 is a true Olympic champion. With the ability to lift up to 14,300 pounds and a lifting height of up to 77 feet, this little helper is ready to take on challenges that seem insurmountable for other machines. Its specialty is working in spaces where every inch counts, making it the ideal choice for urban construction or indoor work. With the Gecko SPX 650, heavy tasks become more manageable than ever before. The new Magirus Wolf R1 is a true marvel of robotics. It fully justifies its considerable cost and can perform the most complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width allows it to be used on forest fires or on highly hazardous industrial fires. The TAF-60, on the other hand, can flow up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, which is a great advantage, especially when fighting large fires in chemical or refinery plants. The overall height of the firefighting robot has been reduced to less than 6.2 feet, which means the TAF-60 can easily penetrate low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, opens up a whole new operational tactic. While the hot spot is being cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. Introducing Road Printer, a magical whirlwind in the world of road construction that transforms any project into a master asphalt driveway with ease. A dream machine capable of bringing to life webs from 13.1 to 19.7 feet long and up to 19.7 feet wide in just one motion. The best you've seen in the field. Want a narrow path or a wide avenue? Road Printer knows no limitations, allowing you to vary widths from 3.3 feet to 19.7 feet. And with the RPS LT75 tray, every foot of your new road will be perfect, as if it came from the hand of a true artist. DD Shipping NV's quaysides, where giant ships are loaded and unloaded every day, have recently added a new helper, the Cenoboggan 870 Hybrid E. This crawler material handler was chosen for its unique ability to handle heavy loads and bulk materials quickly and easily. The company's sea-lock dimensions are impressive, 28.9 feet deep, 820 feet long, and 82 feet wide, allowing it to handle vessels weighing up to 10,000 tons. Drivers value the machine for its stability, mobility, and comfort, making the Cenoboggan 870E the ideal choice to enhance work on both berths. The TG7000 Hopper Shredder is a combination of the latest technology and power, designed to handle large-scale land clearing and recycling of organic and wood waste. Vermeer's duplex drum minimizes maintenance work. Among the biggest pluses is the patented system with 10 hammers and 20 dual-bolt cutting heads that was utilized to build the equipment. The optional cab and the gripper loader makes this model a one-man operation. This greatly reduces labor costs and increases productivity. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket converts the hydraulic energy of mobile equipment or vehicles into a vacuum to dispose of debris and into an airstream for cleaning. It is used for cleanup at construction and demolition sites, as well as other maintenance tasks. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket not only produces a powerful negative pressure of -8 kilopascal, but also has other excellent features. For example, it has a powerful maximum airflow of 3.4 meters cubed per second. There are auxiliary suction ports and a vacuum hose for on-foot operation. There is also an adjustable suction airlock for precise vacuum cleaning. The basic idea behind the multi-lift interchangeable hook loaders is that one truck can perform different actions with different objects and containers. Multi-lift offers maximum productivity in a small size. The hook lift height gives you a wide range of transport possibilities, and its solid load capacity ensures easy and comfortable work. In addition to the basic capabilities of interchangeable hook loaders, the multi-lift excels at transporting and tilting loads. Smooth steering and smooth movement guarantee you significant savings when handling loads. When it comes to crashing rocks, not every tool can be the main star of the show. But Epirock's solid-body hydraulic breakers aren't just your average fighters, they're true heavyweights in the world of hydro drills. Their unique solid construction makes them incredibly resistant to any impact, and their power allows them to split even the toughest rocks like crispy chips. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just 2 companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season using a dry suction excavator provided by Ocie Equipment and operated by Super Sucker. As a result of the fruitful work, the tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location and then safely replanted at another site where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. The safety, versatility, and durability of the Soil King Extreme is unmatched in the rock spreading industry, helping you get the job done safer and more efficiently than any other spreader on the market. Increase your productivity. The Extreme XTR 25 has a 30 cubic yard capacity while carrying lighter materials. Utilizing Can American's patented metering beam, a single operator can precisely handle and control the placement of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials through wireless communication. The amphibious dredger from CleanTech Infra is a unique machine that is designed for use in open and narrow canals, able to float in water and soft, swampy wetlands where a conventional excavator with tracks or tires would get stuck. It has a 22-foot reach and can endlessly rotate 360 degrees. Stabilizing wheels provide buoyancy when extended and act as stabilizers when under the dredge. The excavator also uses its wheels to load and unload from the trailer and can slide down steep slopes on its own. The MD500 helicopter with air saw is one of the best tools for pruning trees in the right season. Thanks to this unusual technique, it is possible to efficiently cut off excess branches, especially those interfering with power lines in any cooperative. A special invention is used for this purpose, a long aluminum tube with 10 rotating blades. It swings among the trees and cuts down deciduous branches with ease. The 830-pound pneumatic saw can do in an hour the same amount of work that a hand crew can do in a few days. Don't pay your attention that in this video, a CAT Model 993 loader is being hauled for dismantling. You'll increase the profitability of your business by utilizing a rugged design that can withstand multiple overhauls in the most demanding loading conditions. Features include standard and optional machine features that are designed to improve visibility during loading operations, including installable drop-down window shades and heated mirrors, as well as a lighting package that provides an excellent view of the work area. The optional CAT MineStar Detect system includes CAT vision and object detection, which combines radar and camera systems to alert operators to light vehicles and fixed hazardous objects near the machine. The Netherlands-based company demonstrated the Harvey 500 harvester with a unique berry catching system that has a 3% loss rate versus 20% of the competitors. The machine can operate with both mechanical bodies to shake the berries and human pickers. The company has also developed a patented blueberry catching system called No Gap. The sail system closes the area around the plant so that no berry gets damaged and ends up on the ground. Just look at these 2 powerful loaders from Sandvik. The first, the Model 115B, is the most compact 18-ton loader on the market, powered by battery energy. Its dimensions correspond to the 14-ton capacity class, so it can work in a 4.5 by 4.5 meter tunnel. FMG's tractor-trailed grader, perfect for gravel road maintenance. The 4 blades easily loosen and level the hardened surface, while the wheel block applies the surface and consolidates the results. The joystick makes controlling the grader really simple and easy, which positively affects the overall result of work. By the way, the weight of the largest such machine is 6,000 kilograms, which makes it a powerful tool. Imagine your next road paving job starting out perfectly smooth, thanks to the wheeled excavator with RF Systems' unique X-Plane dozer blade. Equipped with a laser-guided dozer blade and leveling beam, this miracle machine ensures a completely smooth surface preparation. The X-Plane dozer blade makes the difficulty easy, ensuring that your pavement starts with a perfectly prepared subgrade. The Ventrac RV602 has a waste bin that hydraulically lifts to 150 centimeters making it easy to place collected materials in a dump trailer, pickup truck, or on top of a compost pile. The quick-release vacuum hose makes it easy to clean flower beds, hedges, steps, and other hard-to-reach areas. Prime Robotics offers industry-leading pallet automation solutions that are the best choice for warehouse, factory, and e-commerce operations. These dynamic pallet grippers significantly reduce the need for manual labor and greatly increase the efficiency of workflows. With high load capacity and the ability to handle multiple pallets simultaneously at a single station, Prime Robotics provides an intelligent, scalable, flexible, and highly efficient approach to pallet management operations. With this approach, businesses can optimize processes and improve their bottom line while increasing the safety and accuracy of warehouse operations. The ML2280 storage loaders features a 2.6-foot wide deep chute conveyor belt that allows you to achieve throughputs of more than 180 tons per hour. This technique from DeWolf is available in 52, 62, and 72-foot lengths and can be fully customized to meet your individual needs by selecting one of 4 different filling programs: Farmer, Comfort, Dynamic, and Premium. Switching between working and transport modes is a simple matter of pressing a button. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.